We are still in a sell signal that is longer term in scope, and by that I mean over the next 2 or 3 months. I think at the most 326.57 likely below the 421.20 channel bottom in combination with 431.45. This is your sellable resistance as we move through the month of April, below which anticipating this rising support over the next 2 to 3 months at the most at 326.57. So here we are anticipating lower trade. One of the occurrences that played out on Thursday. On Wednesday, we closed above the short-term channel top, which indicated continued recovery short-term, possibly Thursday into the 421.20 region. But we do remain bearish below 421.20. So in a sense, that failure to follow through in that region, no surprise given the heavy state of affairs. Now that we've closed back below this 402.64 level, 390.12 remains in reach today. That is a longer-term 3/8 Fibonacci. It's been containing selling pressures pretty well for the last month and a half. We've spiked below it, never closed below it. I do think it's quite susceptible to violation. If you're now holding out for 390.12 as a profit-taking level, I actually support that. But if we do close below 390.12, and it is ultimately anticipated that the 320s remain a 2 to 3 week target, and so closing below 390.20 is consistent with that sell signal, I would then expect this could be within 1 or 2 days. This could take into later next week, 374.36, which is the next meaningful support able to contain daily lows. If we do then close, let's say by some point next week, below 374.36, then it is this descending channel bottom at 360.49 becomes the next 3 to 5 day target, and stair-step fashion into what is ultimately meaningful long-term support at 326.57, anticipating 326.57. Now for the upside, it is this 407.82, nothing more than Wednesday's settlement price. It is a level that we clearly opened below on Thursday and continued south. So it is a settlement today above 407.82 that does set up 421.20 as a 1 to 2 day target. Until then, holding below 407.82, expect 390.12. If we do close above 407.82, 421.20 is likely on Monday. It is our area to sell into. A short position could be established here, anticipating bearish continuation to 326.57 within 2 to 3 months. Please click like, share, subscribe, check out wickedstocks.com.
Want more wins in your portfolio? Get Daily SPY and Triple Q analysis that gives you a clear plan for the market's next move, plus 2 high probability stock picks each week. Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.